Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to be replacing my pool filter. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. Alright, so this is my old filter. It has a crack underneath on the very bottom. You can see the water leaking out there. I bought an exact replacement, and so if I'm lucky, I'm not going to have to repipe anything. I'm going to have to just drain this, remove it, and replace the two connections on the bottom. Well, not replace it, but just reinstall. Hopefully this is done real quick. All right, I'm going to start letting air into this thing, and then I'm going to unscrew this, remove this clamp. It's going to start to gurgle, pull out the filters, try to lighten the weight of this, and then I'll remove this drain cock down here, right down here. You can't see it, but unscrew that, and that drains the tank. All right, the clamp is gone. Now I'm just gonna get rid of all the heavy parts. I'm gonna take the filters out and get rid of them. All right, next I'm gonna remove this drain plug and drain the rest of the water out of there. All right, I've decided to leave the water in there for the weight and just try to goose these collars free. There's one. And then I'll get the other one in close quarters. All right, so here's what we're left with. These should fit exactly into my new one. I'm gonna replace these O-rings with the new O-rings I got, lube this up with some lubricant, and slide it back on and lock it in. Off with the old, on with the new one. All right, as you can see, everything's lubed up, and it is a straight in here. Okay, everything is in. I've got this air bleed valve here opened, so it's time to turn it on and let it piss out air. Alright, it's still filling up. No leaks. Okay, it's full. I still got some air working its way through the jets, but everything is nice and dry, no drips or leaks, so I think we're in good shape. Well, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. If you're interested in our franchise opportunity, I'll leave a link for that in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.